Welcome to Teen Tested, the show where we review anything and everything for our generation.
I'm Alexa.
And I'm Kendallin.
But before we get started, we do have some keywords. If we like the product, we'll say Shawowza. But if we don't, we will hit our gong. Let's get started. So we're trying two things today. First thing, we're trying a candy hamburger gummy. It's from Raindrops.
And then the second thing we're trying is a candy hot dog. It's also from Raindrops. So
We should do the hot dog first.
okay, I'll open it. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's really good packaging if you think about it. It's like all secure, nothing will fall out. Okay, so now I guess it's kind of difficult. I'm trying. Oh, all you just need to do is open it and then do that and then take it out like that. That's pretty easy. Okay, and then there's like little spots where you can just rip and then peel. And then there's like another covering over a covering. There's a lot of covering for this one. It's all like sticking. Where did that ketchup go? Okay, let me put this all back on. Sorry. I'm gonna have five. We're gonna have 5 of these little buns, and then 2 of these hot dogs, and then we're gonna split both of these in half. So here, you can take your 5 and I'll take my 5. And then 2 of these green gummies with relish. It's relish. Here. Alright, so
There's 4, so we can...
I know, that's what I said.
Oh, I thought you said 1.
Okay, and here I'll split here, and then I'll split this one now too. Okay, there. So now let's try this one first. Okay, so we're trying the bun.
You know how? Never mind.
ASMR. This looks like a hot pocket without any filling. Why do I keep eating it?
I don't know.
It's not the best thing.
Once she's done with that, we should try these things. Which
Oh, yeah.
are supposed to be pickles in. I don't know. I think.
Yeah, it's either pickles or relish.
Yeah.
Most likely pickles. This would be a very odd shape. It looks kind of like edamame. These are really greasy. It even tastes like edamame.
I like it. I like it. Do you like it?
No. Just kidding.
Next we should try the hot dog.
Hold on. I'm still chewing.
This kind of looks like a pill or like a tablet. It's kind of weird looking.
What type of pills are you eating?
You've never seen those kind of pills?
A cough drop?
No.
What type of pill is the size of my eyeball?
Fish something. No, not the size of this. Okay, right? This tastes just like these. Just like those things. I need water. This is too candy-ish.
Sweet. Candy-ish.
I'm gonna try both of these because it seems like they don't have any flavor. So I'm just gonna try both of them together.
I'm gonna try just one at a time. They have the aftertaste of pennies in your mouth.
Pennies in, what, did you put pennies in your mouth?
Yeah.
My favorite thing out of this is this green thing, and it's not the best. So that says a lot about the other stuff.
This looks and tastes like edamame.
Okay. It's better than all these.
Yes, it is. Okay.
Anyway,
So now I'm gonna start reviewing this. Oh my gosh. It was a very, very sad, frail Gong.
I just give this a gong. Next, let's try this candy gummy hamburger. Yeah. Now it's easier, and it also says like the kind of stuff they have on the side. So did the hot dog.
Where's your packaging for them? Go.
I threw it. It kind of looks like a McDonald's.
Oh wait, hold on. Let me read it. I'll read it. Hold on.
Oh, it opens from the side.
I'm not gonna read it. Hold on. Oh my gosh.
I don't know where it went. This looks really cool. It comes in with cool packaging.
Gosh.
Why do you have to read it?
Because I want to. There's 6 sweet candy buns, 6 candy cheazz and sauce, 5 best candy bites, 4 candy salads, 1 out of 3 candy toppings.
What was the whole point of that?
I don't know.
Not you.
Oh.
Aw, come on. There we go.
Okay, so now we're just gonna split it in half. So just. Oh. What the?
This is not working.
What the heck?
We should have just taken one like this.
I don't know.
It came in a pretty packaging. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this little red thing, but I'm gonna
let's
split
split
it in half.
It's a tomato. Is that?
I would use the scissors.
Oh, I thought this was a pizza. I was like, why is there a pizza? And
I don't know if I should use scissors. Here, you try.
No.
Go ahead, try. Show off.
I know. I do body lifting.
I do.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try the bun.
You're going too fast.
Yeah, we are on a speed.
This shit just like the hot dog.
Wait.
Oh no.
That looks like cat puke. Okay.
Oh, you already have some? Oh, you have more than me. That's fine. Why do you have 3 of these? There, now you have 2. Okay, now we're trying these like hamburger.
Man.
That tastes terrible. That tastes like, what's the word for it?
Oh,
No.
a quarter.
It has this, I don't even know what it's called.
Wait, let me try it again. Gasoline. It does. It tastes like gasoline.
I don't know why there's a gummy bear in a hamburger.
It's supposed to be ketchup and mustard. Okay, now we just have one last thing.
This one isn't good.
Please put in the toilet bowl sound of doop. Okay.
I like
And then for our biting, put in the sound. Ready? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I saw my life fly before my eyes. Oh my gosh! These are good. I just tinkled my pants. Put that in. Ready?
These are.
You're wet now. Got me wet. Okay. I think it's time for review now. Hold on.
So, since she's still eating, I'd give some of the green stuff. That stuff is good. These like gummy things, those are good. So I give this half of a Shawowza and the other half Gong.
I rate this experience altogether. I rate this whole entire experience. I've spat out more food than I ate. So that means I'm giving it a very, very sad gong. You know, 'cause I don't really spit out food. Yeah. Okay, bye guys.